Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if vector A, vector B, and vector C are non coplanar unit vectors such that this equals to this, then the angle between vector A and vector B is. Now, just solve this question very carefully. So, the idea is we have A cross B cross C, giving priority to B and C. Vector B by root 2 plus vector C by root 2. So we have only one equation, and from this equation only you have to solve. Now, first you have to break down this vector triple product. You know that who is in the middle? B. So write down B vector minus who is the leftover thing in the bracket? C vector. Correct? Now, if you are handling B, what are the leftover vectors? So it is A dot C. If you are handling C vector, what are the leftover vectors? A dot B. Okay. Now, vector B by root 2 plus vector C by root 2. Now, A dot C. So mod A 1, mod C 1, and then cos theta A and C. B vector minus mod A 1, mod B 1, cos theta BC, angle between vector B and vector C, is C. So it is B by root 2 plus C by root 2. Now if you'll observe, on the left hand side component you have B vector. On the right hand side component you have B vector. On the left hand side vector you have C component. On the right hand side you have C component. So suppose that these guys are talking about angle between A and C. So can I compare B? So can I write cos theta AC equals 1 by root 2 equals cos pi by 4. So can I say that the angle between vector A and vector C is pi by 4? Similarly, we will solve for angle between vector B and vector C. So now compare C. So it is cos theta BC equals plus of 1 by root 2. So can I say that cos theta BC equals minus of 1 by root 2? And can I write down this thing as cos 3 pi by 4 pi minus pi by 4? Okay, so the angle between vector B and vector C is 3 pi by 4, and the angle between vector A and vector C is pi by 4. So there is 3 pi by 4. Here we have pi by 4. I hope, and we need to find out the angle between A and B. Wait, here it is not BC, here it is AB. Here it is AB. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.